Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Today let us see how to prepare phool makhana curry or FoxNut curry. So this phool makhana curry is very simple to prepare and also it has many health benefits. So how are these phool makhana or foxnuts extracted? They are extracted from the lotus plant, that is from the flower and the roots. Especially the seeds, they are black in color. They are the seeds from where the foxnuts are extracted. So these seeds are sun dried and they are graded and then they are roasted for 3 times, and when they roast for the third time the foxnuts just pop like a popcorn, and the black coat or the black coat outer coat they get expelled and the white color foxnuts they extract. So that is how we get into the market. So let us see how to prepare. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and just give a quick stir. Just stir fry them. Do not let them turn into brown color. So after frying them, just put them aside. And then again into the same pan, add 5 tablespoons of oil and add chopped 3 medium-sized onions and 7 chilies and fry them properly till they turn golden brown color. Meanwhile, while the onions are fried, just take 2 medium tomatoes and chop them nicely, and once the onions turn golden brown, add these tomatoes, just give a quick stir and then close the lid and allow them to soften for 3 minutes on medium flame. Once the tomatoes get soft, just give it a quick stir again, and then now it's time to add salt. Salt add according to your taste, and then a pinch of turmeric and then 2 tablespoons of chili powder. If you don't want more spicy, then just add 1.5 or 1 tablespoon of chili powder. That will do good. Now give it a quick stir and then again add ginger garlic paste to this. Allow these ingredients to mix well with the onions and tomatoes, and again cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame, and see the oil starts to extract from the pan. So this is the time you need to add water. Now again give it a quick stir and then add 1 full glass of water. If you want, you can add water later also, but just add 1 full glass of water for now. If you add more water, it takes time to boil and you need to reduce the quantity. So just add 1 full glass of water and wait till you get a nice boil. After you get a nice boil like this, add all the fried foxnuts or phool makhana into the water or the gravy, and then stir nicely so that all are immersed in the water, and then close the lid again and allow it to cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add roasted cumin powder and dhania powder or coriander powder. Stir it nicely and then again allow it to cook nicely on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. See, the entire water is gone and then it has come thicker. So it's very simple. Our foxnut curry is ready. You can serve this with hot rice or roti as well. Now this foxnut, it will be available in any supermarket easily, or else you can order them online also. This foxnut have many health benefits, such as it's rich in protein, magnesium and potassium, and also high in fiber, and this has many antioxidants, so that it helps your skin to be healthier, and also it's very useful for heart patients and diabetic patients and infants and also pregnant women. So with these many health benefits, why do you hesitate? Have this phool makhana curry or foxnut curry today and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.